For anybody that haven't seen my channel, yeah, I have a 800 credit score now, 790. But I didn't.
Let me drop an exclusive bomb for a player.
I didn't
Come
start
on,
out like
y'all.
this, though, man. I started with a 547. I was your average dude that was being told no over and over and over. I was embarrassed. If I was with a lady and they wanted something and I tried to, apply for credit, I was told no. That was terrible.
You said you have 31 credit cards. What is the highest limit you have? Because I don't even know the experience to be able to walk in a place knowing in my pocket I got $30,000 if I need it or whatever it is. So I would love to know. My subscribers would probably love to know what's the highest one you got, player.
Well, I have a couple. I have the American Express Platinum, but I got to explain this now. It's a caveat to it. It states it's no pre-spending limit. So in theory, it doesn't have a limit. However, in the world of Rod, yes, it does. Now
So hold on, time out. I gotta cut time out, dog. Hold on. So you said it technically don't have a limit, so you can go and just swipe something, and it's not gonna say decline. Technically,
that's what they lead you to believe. However, you really do have it said no pre-spending spending limit, but they look at your spending habits and they may decline it.
If you acting too wild.
Yeah, if you're getting crazy, if you out here just balling out of control, but they really, the part is you have to pay it in full the following month. So your credit limit is really what you can afford. Now it has no limit, but if you usher out there talking about no limit, baby, and all this, then you good. But now, if I use the pay over time feature, that card has a $35,000 limit. I have two of those, and then
So
I
you
have
got two $35,000 credit card limits.
Two. I have the American Express Platinum and American Express Charge Squad Platinum. So that's $70K with those two. Then I have the American Express Gold personal card, and I have the American Express Business Gold that falls under Points Blank Travel. Both of those have $35,000 limits. So those four cards alone is $140,000. And now it ain't no such thing as declining this. If I go out there, and so 35,000 is really the real.
So for the people, because I'm from the hood, so the hood mentality do kick in. The low ratchetness, it can't slide in. I'm just saying it can't slide in. So the hood and ratchetness in me, I wanna you and I know some of my subscribers low hood. So we want to know, how do you get to the point where you have that will and you have that, what's the word, not determination, more of discipline to not go to the top and spend the 35,000, because we know that ripple effect. You can only spend 2,000 here, then you spend 3,000, then you spend 7,000, and it go up. How do you get to that point?